Welcome to today's class. Today perform a couple of exercise on round off. We'll start with addition of large numbers. We will implement 10th and 100th and 1000th position of round off. We'll see how approximation value show with respect to exact value. Means what is the difference between the exact value. If you go with the 10th round off, if you go 100th round off, if you go to 1000th round off, whatever we get value, how much exactly the difference between the exact value, that we will study. And the same implementation we will apply with respect to subtraction as well as multiplication. So without much delay, we will start on this activity. Welcome to my channel Educate to Grow. All my sessions are divided to subsection topic. You can jump directly to specific content whichever you want during the session. We'll take a number that is 17,986 plus 5,290. Let's do the real calculation. Let's do the 6, and this is 17, 1, 12. This is 6, 13 and 23. So 23,276. This is exactly value of sum. Now coming to the round off. Thousandth place round off means thousandth place is this one, right? Let's take this number separately. 17,986. 986. 1000 is this one, so put it separate. 986 is more than 500, right? So what I told, 1000 place, in this case we have to replace 000, so put it 000. This one we have to add 8 and keep it 1. This is 1000th place. Let's do the 1000 place for 5,290. 1000 places, this is a 1000 place. Okay, put it 1000 here. 290, this is less than 500. We need to replace zeros. Do not add anything. So what will happen in this case? This become a 0, 0, 0. Let it be 5 same. See, now it becomes very simple for the calculation. 0, 0, 0. What is 13? 23,000. This is approximation. How much difference this to this? Nearly 276 difference. This is approximation. In the larger number, it is a negligible number actually. So that's how it is. Now let us understand 10th position, the same number. So 7986, 10th position is this one. So let's cross. This is more than 5. So add 0 here and 8 become a 9. That's perfect. 7. This is do the same thing for this number 5,290. Okay, let's 10th place is this one, separate. Already it's 0, 0, no change. So hence it is 5,290. Let it be same. So still it is difficult because there is no lot of number. This is as good as calculating the same like this original number. We want more zeros while doing the calculation. That is the aim actually. If you have more complex numbers in between, addition and subtraction and multiplication makes a confusion and it will be tedious job, but it is a little bit complex method. That's the reason whenever the bigger number comes, the round off position will be always higher. It will not be like a smaller numbers. So that's how it is actually. Let's do how exactly this one. Let's add theory purpose and 12 and 13 and 23. So see here, difference is actually only how much? 4 difference. Really it's a very much nearer. Approximation is exactly almost near to the efficiency, but it will be complex in the calculation. That's the reason always tend to the higher place value of round off. So that's how it is going to be. Let me put 100th position. 17,986. What is the 100th position? 9. Okay, take it out. 86 is more than 850. Definitely it will be 0. It will be added here. So once again it is 18,000. Okay, if it is 100th position round off. Now going to next 5,290. What is 100th position? This was 90 is more than 50. Agree. This becomes a 3. So 5300. Okay. 0033 23,300. See the difference. 24 difference here to the actual value. So this is the approximation difference. We'll take the same number. We'll do difference. Subtraction will do it. It's the same value. We will make a difference here. Let's do it. 6 remains same. 8 and 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 7 minus 5, 2 and 1 remains. So this is the actual value. Then what is the difference? 0, 0, 0, 3, 13,000. Almost near to 300 difference here. And let's do the 10th place. 0, 0, 7, 721. 12,700. You see the difference here. 12,700 and actual value is 12,696. Only the 4 difference. Let's do it with respect to 100. 0, 0 and 10 minus 3, 7, 8 minus 6, 2. See here, exact value is how much? Once again 696. See the value here, both are same, right? Approximation, see the round off value, the technique, both are same, numbers are different, this is different, this is different. See the result here, how exactly the same. So it will give approximation, nearest. It will not give 100% exact number, it will give nearest. Okay, that's what I wanted to highlight here. Let's go with the product with a different number system, with a simple number 19 product into 78, 72. So actual value is this one. We have only option 10th position round off. So let's do the 10th value round off. So 19. So 19 means what? This is 9. We have to take out this one separately. 9 is more than 5. Yes, agree. Okay, and we have to add this one to this one. So it becomes this is become a 20. Like this 78, 10th position. Take out this one. 8. 8 is more than 5. Yes, agree. Make it 0 first. Then add 1 to the left. That is 8. Agree. Make it into. This is very simple, right? 8 into 2, 16, right? 16 and 0. You see now how fast we do the calculation. We are not doing this kind of calculation and all, right? So this is very simple. How much you difference here? It is nearly 118 is approximation difference. Okay, so this is how we need to do a approximation calculation. Let's take one more example, that is 87 into 133. Okay, let's do the real calculation, how exactly it comes. This comes calculated in the calculator and I'm putting this number. Okay, this is exactly this is the number. Let's do the 10th position. 7 is more than 5. Exactly, right? 0 and add 1 to the left, 9. Okay, that's it. Do the 133. If you do the 10th position for 1 and for all across all the number, you have to do the same consistently. So now do the same thing here. Make it 3 is less than 5. Don't do anything, just replace 0 there. So 0 and keep it like that only. 13 into 9, it will be very much simple to calculate. In this case, what exactly the result? 130 into 90. This is 11,700. This will be more interesting. This is just a 10th place round off. Let's do the same thing with respect to 100 position. 100 position, there is no number and this will be, there is nothing is there. So 87 is more than 50. Agree. So put the 00 and add 100. We have to add 100. And in the 100 here in this location, 33 is means less than 50. Yes, make it 00. Don't do anything, change on this side. So what is the value? See here, difference 10,000. It is, even though it is less, this is more. Okay, this is actual value. More by how much? Nearly 271 more plus. This is almost 1,571 minus. Okay, see here how much. This is approximation. Okay, that's about estimation and approximation. Let's take let us understand now the new topic, how to use the bracket. So far we understood how to use large numbers and executed the sum and difference and product using the round off technique with respect to 10th and 100th and the 1000 position. And next we are going to study on how to use bracket in math calculation, which is in very simple way explained. I also explained what is the order of operations on the mathematics. For example, if you have a combination of plus, minus and division and brackets, and which one you have to go first, which one you have to go next, and what is the order of operations, everything will be explained. That is very important to going further in the mathematical calculations on as well as in higher studies. So this is the basic and we are going to explain in the coming chapter. Hope everybody understood the concept on estimation as well as rounding off, and I hope you went through the exercise. Request you to share my content to your friends and the students, as well as please subscribe and comment it. If you want to know anything on the mathematics, on the basics, please do the comment. I will try to answer and I will do the separate video on that. Thank you. We'll see you in the next class.